Let's take a quick tour of the Cricut Explore Air 2 machine. This machine features the wireless design and cut system. The Smart Set dial makes cutting so many different materials easy. It automatically adjusts the settings for you. The most common material settings are shown on the dial. Set the dial to custom, and in Design Space, you can choose from an entire library of materials. Cricut Explore Air 2 also features a fast mode, which allows you to cut and write up to 2 times faster depending on machine settings and the images you want to cut. To use fast mode, simply turn the dial to the appropriate material between vinyl and cardstock plus and select Fast Mode in Design Space. This is the beautiful Cut Smart 2 carriage. Its new technology enables the faster speeds. The blade housing, blade, and accessory adapter come pre-installed. The machine has great storage, so everything is readily available. There's a cup that holds tools, plus 2 accessory compartments. The smaller compartment holds additional housings and the accessory adapter. The best feature in this compartment is this magnetic strip. You'll always know where to find your replacement blades. The larger compartment is great for storing a variety of Cricut tools. There's also a cartridge port. Link your cartridges to your online Cricut account, then you can access your images from any device. The Cricut Explore Air 2 comes with everything you need to get started right away. Cricut makes it easy to go from inspiration to creation.